got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up.
Yes, guys, the whole market is pumping right now. And if you take a look at the altcoin chart, we can see a huge green candle. So exactly as predicted in our last video, we said, hey, we broke above the yellow line. We retested it perfectly. And after that, we saw a massive breakout. And you must be so happy. I'm happy. Everybody's happy in the crypto market right now. And that is something we can also see in the Fear and Greed Index. There is a lot of greed into the market right now. So I want to talk about 3 meme coin projects that I am buying in the next dip. And I'm saying next dip and not right now. Why? Because we don't want to buy into the green candles. We always want to wait for a correction. Even if it's here, it's better to wait for a correction compared to just buying into a green candle. Because look at this example. We zoom in. Here was the bottom, right? We saw a huge pump, and then out of nothing, there is a red days afterwards. So if you bought here, you have to wait for another, I don't know, like almost 2 months to get back in profit. So that is the reason always buy when the market is red and not in green. But watching videos right now of people talking about projects can help you to find the right projects, because you want to buy into projects that are going up right now, because that means that there's a lot of attention on the projects. But yeah, let's talk about 3 meme coin projects that I am buying myself and also holding myself. The first one is Pepe. And Pepe is one of the OG meme coins of the space. It's like some kind of a Doge and a Shiba Inu, but done in a different way. So in 2023, it launched, and out of nothing, it reached almost $2-3 billion market cap. It was insane during these times because it was bear market, and then out of nothing, a project pumped like that. So after that, we saw a bottom at around 300 million, and then an all-time high of 12 billion. So that means like everybody knows this project. This also means that when the market is good, definitely these kind of projects will go higher, and this is also what we see right now here. So an OG project, a lot of eyes on the project, and a lot of community members that love the project. So if you're watching this video and you love Pepe and you're holding it, let me know in the comments, because I want to make more videos about Pepe if the Pepe army is strong enough. So the next one, or should I just talk first about my prediction? So I want to give you a prediction about my Pepe, what I'm thinking. And for the prediction, I want to go to Shiba Inu. We can see Shiba Inu reach a $30 billion market cap, and $30 billion from here is still 6x. Of course, maybe it will be not that big as Shiba Inu, but there is a lot of potential to get to 30 billion. Even to 50 billion is still a 3x from here. So all I can say is Pepe is on my list. There is a lot of potential, maybe not for a 20 or 30x, but a solid 3x is also nice. The next one on my list is Bread. It is the biggest meme coin on the base chain. And the base chain is owned by Coinbase, one of the biggest exchanges in the crypto space. So this can also be a benefit for the project because they are not listed yet on Coinbase. $800 million market cap, $2.3 billion all-time high. And also here, if you are the biggest, a lot of eyes are on you. So people who sold during the way down are FOMOing in right now, which results in a green big candle. So Bread is also one of my favorites because they are super strong in branding. 150k followers. They are active on TikTok. They are sponsoring real life events. They have a big mascot, which is good for the content. They have also claw machines on several real life events at Token or other ones. We can see strong IP building. So this means like they have a strong character. Everybody recognize it because they are also active on Instagram, TikTok with animations like this. So to build a strong brand, this is what you need. So definitely Bread is on my list to hold, but also to buy in the next dip. Also, Peipei, 22 million, 160 million all-time high. So even if we get back to there, because 160 million is still a 6x from here, I really think that a lot of people who were here left the project right now, which results in there is no attention on the project that it had before. But once we get back to around 60 million, everybody will start talking about the project again, because they did well. They had a lot of supporters. Peipei army is one of the strongest. they watch and support every video almost, and it was like the army was really strong. But I think the people need to believe again in the project, and once we get back to around 40 to 60 million, people will get back, and then you will see green candles like this. But first we need to get back, of course, but definitely on my list to buy more during the next weeks. When I see a small correction, I will buy more. And of course, I have already my bag, so I'm fine if it pumps right now. But maybe you're watching and think, hey, I like this project, but what should I do? I'm always saying, like, again, I cannot say it too much because so many people are buying when there is a green candle like this. They're buying here and then it's down. Or the same like when you bought, as an example, you see a green candle here because there was a bottom here, you bought here, then it took again, like from here to here was around 34 days, which means 1 month of waiting for getting back to break even. And when you just waited just a small moment, then it was only 22 days. Of course, it takes still 22 days, but the chance is higher to see a correction in red compared to green because the market doesn't move in one way up. You can see it here. It's green, correction. People who bought here, insane, like correction of 36% or 40%. So keep that in mind, guys. You want to buy when others are fearful and not when greedy. Also for the Peipei army, let's check out the Twitter page. So this is Peipei, a one of a friendly Chinese version of Pepe. Also good branding with animations. They have funny designers sketching these kind of things. Supporter of crypto gains. He's pushing the project also in a good way. What else do we see, guys? What else do we see? One guy is like putting a sticker on his car. It's super nice. So I really love the vibe of the whole project and the community of this one. And still, I think the potential here is like huge. Like for this one, for Pepe, maybe a 3-4x is very reasonable. For Brad, getting back to all-time high and above is also very reasonable. That is like from here to here is a 2x. But for Peipei to back to all-time high is almost a 6x, guys. 6x. So pick your coins. Always do your own research. And I want to hear, what is your favorite meme coin? Which project shall I make a video about? Let me know in the comments, and I see you in the next one. Bye-bye.